There are vehicles that simply arrive on the road, and then there are machines that completely change the way we look at power, luxury, and presence. Some SUVs are created only to move people from one place to another, but a true automotive masterpiece is created for something much greater. It is created to inspire emotion, to make a statement, and to leave a lasting impression long after it disappears into the distance. The 2026 SUV Beast represents this new generation of automotive ambition, a machine designed to combine bold performance, futuristic technology, and premium craftsmanship into one unforgettable experience. This is not just an SUV. This is a statement on wheels, a rolling expression of confidence, strength, and luxury that represents a new chapter in the world of high-performance vehicles. From the very first moment it appears, the 2026 SUV Beast creates an atmosphere that is impossible to ignore. It does not simply ask for attention, it naturally commands it. Every curve, every surface, and every design element has been carefully shaped with one purpose: to create a vehicle that feels powerful, advanced, and ready to define the future of luxury mobility. The philosophy behind this machine is not about creating another ordinary SUV with more features or a more aggressive appearance. It is about creating an identity, a vehicle that represents confidence without unnecessary noise, power without losing elegance, and technology without sacrificing emotion. The 2026 SUV Beast combines the commanding presence of a large performance SUV with the sophistication expected from a premium luxury vehicle. Its design language speaks through precision, balances, and character. The moment you look at the front, the SUV reveals its personality. The bold grille creates a powerful signature, giving the vehicle a face that feels confident and dominant. The advanced lighting design adds a futuristic touch, cutting through the darkness with a sharp and recognizable appearance. These details are not simply added for visual appeal. They create an emotional connection between the machine and the person standing in front of it. The exterior design tells a story from every angle. From the front, it feels like a leader entering the scene. From the side profile, it carries the attitude of a predator waiting with controlled energy. From the rear, it leaves behind a powerful impression that reflects strength and sophistication. The wide stance gives the SUV a sense of stability and authority, while the sculpted body lines create movement even when the vehicle is standing still. The designers have transformed every surface into a piece of automotive art, where function and beauty exist together. The wheels fill the arches with confidence, creating a muscular appearance, while the aerodynamic details show that this machine was designed not only to look impressive, but also to perform with purpose. Under the lights of a modern city, the reflections moving across it. This is the difference between a vehicle and a masterpiece. The 2026 SUV Beast is designed to create a feeling of power, prestige, and possibility. But true luxury is not only measured by what people see from the outside. The real transformation begins when the door opens and you step inside. In that moment, the outside world starts to disappear, and the cabin becomes a private sanctuary built around comfort, technology, and craftsmanship. The interior is not just a collection of materials and screens. It is an experience designed to surround every passenger with a sense of refinement. Premium surfaces, carefully selected textures, and elegant details create an environment that feels modern yet timeless. The seats are designed to provide more than comfort. They create a feeling of relaxation and complete control. Every touch point inside the cabin reminds you that attention to detail is what separates ordinary vehicles from extraordinary ones. The interior atmosphere changes depending on the moment. During the day, it feels open, sophisticated, and luxurious. At night, advanced ambient lighting transforms the cabin into a futuristic lounge where technology and elegance exist together. The dashboard reflects the personality of the SUV itself, clean, intelligent, and confident. Digital displays provide advanced information while maintaining a premium feeling, and every control is positioned to make the driving experience more natural and connected. Because real luxury is not about adding endless features. It is about creating harmony between design, technology, and human emotion. The 2026 SUV Beast represents a vision where performance meets elegance, where innovation meets craftsmanship, and where a vehicle becomes more than transportation. It becomes a symbol of ambition and a reflection of modern luxury. But the story does not end with design and comfort. Beneath this powerful exterior lies the engineering that transforms this SUV from an impressive creation into a true performance machine. The power, technology, and driving experience hidden beneath the surface reveal why this vehicle carries the name Beast. This is only the beginning of the journey, and in the next part, we will explore the deeper exterior details, interior innovations, and the advanced engineering that make the 2026 SUV Beast a machine built for a completely new era. The first impression of a truly exceptional vehicle is created before you ever touch the steering wheel. It begins with the way it stands, the way it captures light, and the way it creates emotion from a distance. The 2026 SUV Beast understands this philosophy perfectly. It is not designed to disappear into the crowd. It is designed to become the center of attention without needing to ask for it. Every line, every surface, and every carefully sculpted detail works together to create a powerful visual identity. A machine that feels less like a simple SUV and more like a rolling masterpiece of modern engineering. Walking around the exterior, the first thing you notice is the confidence in its proportions. The SUV carries a wide, athletic stance that immediately communicates strength and stability. The body appears planted firmly on the road, creating the impression of a machine that is always ready for action. The designers have created a balance between aggression and elegance, avoiding unnecessary complexity while allowing every detail to have meaning. The result is a shape that feels powerful from every direction. The front fascia is where the personality of the 2026 SUV Beast truly begins. The bold grille creates a commanding presence, acting almost like the signature of the vehicle. It is not simply a design element. It represents the character of the entire machine. The sharp lighting elements surrounding the front give the SUV a futuristic expression, almost as if the vehicle has its own identity before the engine even comes alive. The headlights are more than functional components. They become the eyes of a machine built to dominate the road. Head.evre EINGLE is everything carefully considered. The hood carries strong character lines that suggest hidden power beneath the surface. The front bumper design creates a sense of performance, while the aerodynamic details show that beauty and engineering can exist together. This is not decoration for the sake of appearance.